What's good? What's good, y'all? Man, I got some bad news, man. Nebula, man, she broke down on your boy a few nights ago on my way to bike night at that. When I was just about to get some footage for bike night, all of a sudden she wanna just I gotta think, man, it's got to be the rectifier, because you know these Gsxrs be having some issues with the rectifier and overheating and all of that crazy crap. But look at my girl, man. I ain't even have to take off the tail. I just did it because I ain't want to be scratching up none of the fairings and all of that stuff. I didn't have to go that route. But man, to get to this to get to that 30 fuse, that shit was right in between this right here. So it was really a pain in the ass to get it. So but I could have just pulled it and maybe made something loose or something. But that's small thing. But I checked that, and what's going on is that this 30 fuse blows immediately. You know what I'm saying? As soon as I either put it in, but I can actually, disconnect the battery, put the fuse in, and it's no problem. But the minute I connect the battery, bam, the fuse blows. So it's got to be something. I don't know. Maybe I got a ground issue. So I'm about to check every little nook and cranny of this mother. So what I got to do now, I got the everything unloose. About to just lift the tank up. Yo, I actually still have the rod. Mine came with the rod to keep the tank open. Well, I mean, to keep the tank up. Crazy, because a lot of folks just use a hammer or something like that. But yo, that's how new this damn bike is, even though it's a 2007. But let's see what's going on, man. Maybe it's gonna be hard to actually do some filming, but man, let's see what we can do. I'll holler back. Man, it's so damn windy, man. It got me thinking, man, I might just move it into the garage. I hope this shit don't blow down. But yeah, man, what you got to do is, of course, you got to take the seat off and stuff like that, where the battery is. Take those bolts off right there, and then all you really got to do is take that main bolt that goes right here, prop it on up. So we got to take the air box off, man. Y'all can check a lot of other videos, man, that shows how to get up into the system. I'm just was bringing you guys along for this shit. So you gotta take off these here, unplug this here, unscrew this here. You also got to get to that bolt down there to get to that screw to take it off. I was just hoping I can get to it some other kind of way without taking the airbox off, at least just to check it. But I'm like kind of checking for like burnt cords or burnt wires and stuff like that first. And all right, I should get right back. All right, as y'all can see, we done got the air box out, got the tank up and every damn thing. Yo, once I unplug the rectifier and plug the, and just put the battery back in, put the new the fuse in, goddamn, put the new fuse in, the bike cranked right on up. So that indicates to me that is the rectifier. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and hit up Rick's Motorsports, and I'm gonna get a new rectifier. I'm gonna get the new Stator also, just in case. Might as well just put it all in, give myself a little peace of mind. I ain't trying to get stranded no more. But as you can see, look at my girl. Oh, my baby. Oh, my girl. Damn it. I even took y'all see, I took the fairings off the back to tell, because I ain't even want to make a mistake and not crack her or scratch her or tap it or nothing. Just give me a peace of mind so I can work right. Don't be so delicate when I'm going ahead and messing around underneath there. So, but that's what I got so far, y'all. I had to unplug every damn thing just to get to the damn rectifier. And like I said, once I unplug the rectifier, put the battery is charging at like 12.81. I think that's all right though once I looked up on everything. So I shall keep on at it. I'm gonna go ahead and order this parts right now. I think, yeah, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and get her done. All right, peace. What's good, folks? It's like day 3, maybe 2, of me trying to figure out what really caused that 30 amp fuse to blow. I took the battery out, man. I took the I unplugged the rectifier, and you know, I put a new fuse in it, you know, a 30 amp fuse, plugged the battery back up, kept the rectifier unplugged. The bike starts right up, and I see that, you know, I guess the, you know, the rectifier, if I'm not mistaken, keeps the battery charged. You know, the rectifier and the stator keeps all that charged, and I'm assuming that, man, it's a bad rectifier. But I've been looking for, you know, any shorts and cords and wires and all that. I have not been able to find anything. So, you know, I ordered a part though from Rick's. Hopefully it'll get here. Sorry for all the noise, y'all. But what I did was, you know, I'm gonna replace the stator and the rectifier anyways. You know, give me a little bit of peace of mind, because, you know, I want to relocate the rectifier anyway. So just cause man, being stuck in the street on the side of the road, man, is not pretty. And I damn sure don't want to be like on the highway or something like that, man, and all of a sudden, you know, everything goes on me. So I'm gonna go ahead and just replace it now. Do it before I have issues, because you know the issues might be coming if you don't. So, but anyways, y'all stay tuned, man. I gotta get back on the road, man. I ain't rode in a while. I'm going through withdrawals. But all right, y'all, I'll holler back. Peace. All right, folks. Yeah, I figured out the damn problem now, y'all. So you know what? The bike will cut on and run if I unplug. If I'm not mistaken, this is the part, that the connection that goes into the stator from the in the rectifier. But when I keep this part actually in, that goes into, I guess, the battery area or whatever. But I don't know. I think it's the stator and not the rectifier. But I'm replacing both anyway though. So hopefully everything turns out right, y'all. I'm doing everything myself too, so we shall see. Peace. All right, y'all. Yo, my little piece just came in for the relocation of the rectifier. My damn rectifier ain't gonna, and the stator ain't gonna be here till tomorrow. Man, I paid for 2-day shipping, also 2-day air at that. And I was on Wednesday. Here it is Sunday. It ain't coming. It'll be here tomorrow. Y'all see, I only took the tail stuff, you know, the tail end off and the fairings and all of that, because I just didn't want to risk scraping it up or scratching it or any damn thing else, you know. So I just did that anyway. This was before I knew what the problem was. I wanted to get there and check that amp. And at the time, you know, the fairings came all the way to right here, and I ain't want to mess anything up. So I just took that off. I'm about to put that back together. I'm about to take off this fairing here once that rectifier and that stator get here, so I'll be ready. I can get her in there and get her done. But anyways, y'all, yeah, I just took that on off. So as y'all can see right there. All right, y'all can see Nebula is disassembled at the moment. She has seen better days, but today is the day, y'all. The parts finally came in. For y'all to see, Rick's Motorsports finally got the new stator, new rectifier. Yo, man, I suggest if your rectifier, your stator blew, man, just go ahead and change it all out. Yo, change the rectifier and the stator. You know, one of them blowed, change both of them. You know, I guess it'll save you and help you out in the long run. But let's see, y'all. Let's start this on up. I'm about to open up this box real quick. All right, let me open it on up. Man, I waited. Man, I paid 2-day shipping for this, man. It came like 4 days later, 5 days later. I want my money back. That extra, I feel like $40-something for shipping too, y'all. Yeah, $40-something. Y'all like my knife? Wifey got that for me. See, I got the initials on it. Shit sharp as hell too, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. Let's see what we got here. We got popcorn. Some little stickers and shit. I don't know if I don't think it add any horsepower or nothing. What the hell? Huh. You get fireballs too? Crazy. Fireballs and stickers. What kind of sticker this is? Hot Shot Series. Rick's Motorsport. Okay. We're gonna put that up. Oh, we get 2 fireballs. And we got popcorn. Alright. So we see here what we got. Alright, we got the rectifier. We got the, alright, we got the stator. We better have the damn, don't tell me they forgot it, y'all. I hope the damn, oh, okay, there it is. I was going to be highly upset if we did not have this part. That's very, very important. That's the gasket. So we need that gasket too. Alright, I already pulled off the rectifier. It don't look like it was burnt or anything, yo. But you know what's crazy is when I kept the rectifier plugged up, the battery plugged up, everything else, and I disconnected the stator, the bike started right on up with no issue, except that I see that my battery was starting to drain and getting lower. So I already noticed one of the 2 problems. But then it looks like, when you see this, I heard that when you see this bubbling right here, that's that's when you're getting a bad rectifier. But yeah, I already pulled off this the rectifier and the bracket. I got a new bracket also, because we're gonna relocate it to right here. We're gonna relocate it right there, run the wires up to right here. Yo, man, I even heard that you can even, put the rectifier inside the air box, but I don't know. I mean, I can do it. It's just a little bit more work. I just don't know if I want to go that route. Y'all see this boy? That's my son, punk ass. All right, but let's get to work. That's my assistant right here. This is gonna be the assistant. All right, let's get to work. All right, yeah, first we're gonna do the stator, take that off first, but we got to unscrew all of these. I don't know, man. People say you got to take off this, fairing, but I don't even want to go through all that. I think I can get to it and do it without even taking it off, but we shall see. All right, so we got these bolts off here. Got the bolt off the inside. And now it's time to take the whole stator cover off. And it's magnetized, so it could be a pain in the ass. But we gonna do it. I'm gonna have to put the camera down and stuff, so hold on. All right, wasn't that bad. Got the stator cover off. Well, the cover out. Stator is exposed. I don't know, man. Y'all tell me. The stator looks pretty good. It don't look like I see any burnt coils or anything, yo. I hope this is the problem, though. I hope it's the stator or the rectifier. But like I said, when I plugged in the stator to the rectifier, that's when everything didn't want to work. But when I kept the rectifier plugged up, everything started on up. So I don't know. We shall see, man. We shall see. I hope this is the problem. Alright. Got the rectifier in. That's got to tighten up the bolts. That's how it's looking so far. Still got to put the stator back on. Look at the... Hold on. Alright, as I was saying, I got the stator in. I'm sorry, not the stator, the rectifier in. That's got to tighten all the bolts. Wasn't that bad, man. Wasn't hard. It's just working these big ass hands up into these small spots, man. That's the only issue I got. And now I gotta just put the stator back in, and well, the new stator on, the cover back on. Of course, the gasket. Everything looked like it's gonna be reaching. Looks like it reached. And then I even plugged the horn back in. I was trying to figure out a way, man, to maybe take the horn part off and maybe make it a little smaller, but it's all good. So far, this is what we got. And if you got this, man, what you're gonna have to do is you got to turn the bolts the opposite way so it won't dig into your frame. You don't want to come to that problem, but I don't know if, I guess that's the issue though, man. But yeah, so far this is what we got going on, man. All right, we all done. We got the rectifier relocated and the new rectifier. As y'all can see, I got the stator cover back on. Put the stator in. I relocated, put the wires going straight up into here. Here's the stator. Here's the rectifier. Now we just gotta plug the stator, the stator into the rectifier. Plug the rectifier on up here. And before I even start it up and everything, man, I gotta put of course I gotta put the battery back in. But I'm gonna do an oil change too right now real quick, because you know it drains a lot of oil. I don't know how much oil. So just to be safe, start it up with oil in it instead of starting it up and it don't have no oil and season up every damn thing. Just to be safe, y'all. So losing my daylight though, shit, it took me all damn day running around and stuff. But all right, y'all, hopefully we almost done. All right, here we go. I put the stator in, did the rectifier. Everything's all right. It looks like we got action. We got action. I just changed the oil, make sure all that is good. Change the filter. No errors. Here we go. Uh-oh, hold on. Y'all know I gotta use 2 hands. We got action, y'all. We got action. Welcome back to life, Nebula. She's alive. Alive. She's alive. And the cold start is right. Looking right. She's alive. Took me all day with all the goddamn brakes I've been taking. I'm about to put the tail back on. I just didn't want to mess up with